Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I create MynaUI icons in Figma. So MynaUI icons has both line icons and solid filled icons like this. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I just create a new 24 cross 24 artboard frame over here, and inside it I create lines of strokes with 1.5 pixels width. So everything is a stroke for line icons. So whatever you see here, everything starts with a stroke, and I just design around that. And for designing for solid icons, I just copy the line icons one over here and put it, and I decide upon how to approach that for solid icons. Most of the time it's just adding some negative space, remove some negative space, and converting it into a full outline path rather than a stroke. So filled icons will have fill, and solid icons will only have stroke lines. And yeah, so everything you see here is 24 cross 24 pixels. It everything has some 3 pixels padding, I would say, some safe area. So everything will have some 3 pixel safe area. Not everything can have that, because some for optical elements, some icons like this will have 4 pixels, and some icons will not have like the 3 pixels safe area. For something like this will be different, and for something like this has 3 pixels safe area. So yeah, that's how I start with the designs. And while working on the designs, I usually use the line tool for creating the lines that you see here, and I convert that into outline if I want. And for filled icons, I convert them into, like, I flatten them and use it for fill things. And everything will have a corner radius, a corner smoothing of 60. I'm not sure what this does for strokes, but it does look good. And then I'll convert the outline the stroke for filled icons. For something else, maybe if I want, if I can flatten it, so that does remove extra points that I don't want here. So yeah, that's the first step. So I just create everything here, and I work on all the icons in the same board. I name everything, all the lines inside it is named a vector, just because I think that will give some performance improvements to Figma, but I'm not sure. So I've named everything as vector. All the lines inside it is called a vector, and even for filled icons it's called a vector. So after completing everything, I select all the icons like this. I check whether everything is 24 cross 24. I check everything has the same color, and the number of icons. So this has 238 icons, including the same line icons and solid icons. So I check that, I select all the icons, and I export it as SVG, and that's it. And I have some scripts that run for converting this to code, convert this to Figma plugin, Figma file, everything. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you want in-depth icon tutorial, like how to create a icon like this, how to work with shapes, and how to create the lines and everything. I can do that. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.